It's the magic of math here, and today we are going to be rewriting an algebraic expression using words such as more than, less than, sum, difference, product, or quotient. Here's our question. We're asked to consider this expression 15n subtract 9, and we're going to create an equivalent word expression. So we're going to select from the drop-down menus to correctly complete the word expression. And we're going to have 9, 2 answer choices, the 4 answer choices of 15 and n. So here's where I'd like you to pause the video, make your 2 answer choices, and then come back to see my work. Good luck. Welcome back. So here we want to find an equivalent word expression that represents this algebraic expression 15n subtract 9. So we start here where they're saying 9, and then we have to select less than or more than. So let's go up to 9 in the expression. 9 is here, and we can see that it's subtract 9. So we're subtracting 9 from this value 15n. So if we're going to take it away, that means whatever we started with, if we subtract or take away 9, that it's going to be 9 less than. So it's 9 less than because we're taking it away, not more than. If this was add 9, we would say that it's 9 more than what we started with. So now it's saying 9 less than the, and we have 4 answer choices, sum, product, quotient, and difference. So sum is when you add 2 values or multiple values. Product is when you multiply. Quotient is when you divide. And difference is when you subtract. So I see that we're subtracting 9, but I want to keep going. It says of 15 and n. So it's not referring to this subtraction sign. It's referring to 15n. So the blank of 15 and n. Well, 15n can be written as 15 multiplied by n. So it's 9 less than this. And when we look at this, we can see that there's multiplication there because there's an invisible multiplication sign. So that tells me that it's product. So it's 9 less than the product of 15 and n. So 15n subtract 9 can be read 9 less than the product of 15 and n. And there you have it. That is how we determine which word phrases represent an algebraic expression. Thanks for joining me today at The Magic of Math, where we continue to master math one video at a time. I hope you have a great day and come back soon.